Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a Netflix account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, download the Netflix app on your phone from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now, open your web browser and go to the Netflix website by typing www.netflix.com in the address bar. Then, enter the email address you want to use for your Netflix account, click the Get Started or Join Now button on the home page, and click Next. Create a strong password for your account. Make sure it's something secure but easy to remember. You'll now see subscription plan options. Choose the plan that works best for you based on the number of screens and video quality, then click Next. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be prompted to set up your payment method. You can choose to pay with credit card, debit card, PayPal, or even gift cards in some regions. Fill in your payment details and click on Start Membership. Now go back to the app, tap on Sign In, enter your email, password, and that's it. Signed into Netflix, you can now start enjoying unlimited movies and series.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.